Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Regarding the concept of prophethood, the misconception I would try to clear today relates to that very notion which is found in very common masses, and that is that it is said that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also conversed when he was in his cradle, when he was just an infant. Now, this story has been stated or mentioned by Hafiz ibn Hajar with reference to Waqidi, who is, we know, an historian, and Waqidi has mentioned this in his Sir, or his book of Sirah. And this is how Hafiz ibn Hajar, in one of his books, which is of course the Shara or the exegesis of Bukhari, which is called Fathul Bari, he has mentioned there that Waqidi has reported that the Prophet actually conversed as an infancy when he was in his cradle. Now, it needs to be understood that this is an absolute concoction. There is no basis for this, and it seems that there was a time then when perhaps Muslims were engaged in debate with Christians, and this polemical debate actually was responsible or was the source of this whole story. And Muslims, in order to counter Christians, perhaps concocted the story that the Prophet Muhammad too, like Jesus, spoke in his cradle. It needs to be understood that there is no authenticity to this story. The Prophet Muhammad was not, of course, a person, was not there's no sound attribution or ascription to the fact that he did so. All the original sources are absolutely silent on this issue, and this seems to be a concoction by Waqidi. We know that Waqidi has been called a compulsive liar by our hadith authorities and by our Rijal authorities, and therefore something which is solely reported by him cannot be accepted in any manner, and therefore we must be very careful. Muslims must be very careful. They must not indulge in this exaggeration at all, and they should pay heed to the fact that there are no authentic sources which say that Muhammad spoke in his cradle, and they must dismiss this story outright. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين والمسلمات.